Awesome. Congratulations. It's great you're able to get the ad prep set up. Now, how that works is we go in there, set up the audiences, and then we tell you the budget to use, and you go run the ads yourself. But now, here's the thing: if you want to have hands-on an expert, a marketing expert, get into your account, perform the setup for you, and also teach you how to do it for yourself moving forward, how to run this for your own business, and every other strategy you would need to grow your business in the long run. There's a program we have, and for this program, we have only 3 slots left, right? It's called the BYL 1.0, and I think somewhere on this page it expires like in the next 20 minutes. We have people, we have coaches, international coaches who have gotten to this program and they're seeing tremendous results already. Why? Because this program teaches you everything you need to take your brand from 0 to 4 figures, 5 figures, even as high as 6 figures, right? Not just a one-time setup. And we're going to be there for you to show you everything you need and also guide you within the next 60 days. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Look, here's my guarantee. If within the next 60 days you do not have at least double the number of clients you have right now from this program, then you're getting a full refund of your money, right? That's why I am pretty sure like this works because I've tried this for businesses and I've seen tremendous results from them, right? The more I even speak, I think the more your timer is even counting. So check, make sure the timer doesn't run out and get in for that program before someone else takes your slot. All right, bye.